Hey guys, this is Craft Unicorn 20, and today we're going to be doing 4 things. First one, we're going to be reviewing my squishies. I wrote it down on a whiteboard. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, you can't. Okay, let me just flip it. Alright, there it is, whiteboard. We're going to react to cringy TikToks. We're going to review squishies. We're going to prank call, and we're going to review my slimes. Okay, but we're going to start off with prank calls and then move from up. We're gonna move up. Okay. We'll start by prank calling the Burger King. Okay. I am about to call it. Okay.
You have called is unavailable to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Well, it said to please leave a message. Alright, now let's call a Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. Why is my... Stop sliding. Alright, let's call the one farthest away from here. Okay. Boom. Let's call it. Hi, is this Starbucks? Because I like to order a pink drink in James Charles Memorial because he's dying.
Excuse me?
Is this Starbucks? Because I like to order a pink drink for James Charles because his career's ending.
Alright, we're gonna hang up now. Bye.
Bye. I actually milked out a good reaction. That was nice. I'm gonna hang up now. Bye. Okay. Jack in the Box is Gucci. Alright. The other one, I don't think we called another one because, they were mean to me. So let's go with Taco Bell, the one farthest away from here because I go to way too many Taco Bells. They'll know who I am for my little order. Okay. Let's order Taco Bell. Well, not order Taco Bell. See, that's what my mind goes to. Taco Bell. Okay. Let's find some Taco Bell locations and call them. I'm gonna get the one farthest I can. Because like I said, they can't know who I am. Ooh, that's open till 3 a.m.? Let's tap on that. Okay. Okay. It was at a school, one of them. Ooh, okay, okay. This one is pretty far away from me. Let's call. Alright, we are calling. Hi, is this Red Lobster? Because I have a real important date coming up. And I need
I'm sorry, what is it?
Is this Red Lobster? Is this Red Lobster? Because I have a real important thing I have to do coming up. I have to make reservations.
This is Taco Bell. Are you calling the right place?
Wait. Oh, this is Taco Bell?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I am very sorry, sir, to waste your time.
I didn't know what you're talking about. That's why I'm kind of confused. Okay, that's fine.
All right, goodbye. He didn't just hang up on me. The previous ones I did when I accidentally showed the numbers so you could see my area codes, they were all just like, this boy really prank calling. No, hang up on her, dude. Beep. Alright, so far we have Taco Bell and Jack in the Box, real nice people. I would recommend them if I remembered their names. Burger King doesn't work because their Magic Jack person is out of service. Did we call In-N-Out? I'm not sure if we called In-N-Out. I'm gonna call McDonald's. McDonald's. Alright, we're gonna make up some really crazy story. Alright, because the first ones have been civilized. Starbucks to bring back James Charles' career. Ain't gonna happen, I think. Tati killed him. And Jack in the Box. No, I made one up about Red Lobster. And those are pretty civilized. So, like, let's make up something crazy. We need to order 7,000 pounds of cat litter because our cat poops. Eat. Let's do it. Okay. Ooh, the Walmart Supercenter. Okay. Calling.
McDonald's.
Hi, excuse me, is this the Cats or Us? Because I need to order 7,000 pounds of litter because my cat really poops a lot.
Oh, no, you're calling McDonald's.
Oh, well then that's not very appetizing. I'm so sorry. Goodbye. So our only 3 have been relatively nice, even though I made up one about my cat pooping a lot, which wasn't very appetizing. So, yeah, we did that. Alright, now it's time to review slime, so this bad boy is going to be going away. Alright, let's start off with this one. Oof. Oh, this one I made a while ago. It isn't the best, honestly. But, like, let's see it. Doesn't even look pretty anymore. It used to look pretty. Smells good. It's like Barbasol. Alright, let's give you a nice upfront view. I don't have anything to balance you on, so you'll just get the full on. These sound effects are literally trash. Like, what is that crevice? Okay, this is definitely not pretty. Alright, this sucks. It's going back in. Hold on. I just need to set you up here. Alright, so that wasn't very nice. It fell. It kept falling, didn't it? I don't know if this was the video where it kept falling or if it wasn't. Alright, well anyway. I guess clicky, but the sounds aren't that great. Oh! My light turned off. Okay. Now let's give you a light blue one. Fluffy. The majority of these are fluffy. One of them is really clicky, so I call it my click clicks. And one of them is a snow one from a friend. Madison. Shoutouts. Alright, here's the one I made a while ago. Hold on, wait. This one is older though, okay? This one is definitely not compared to it. I have to balance you, hold on. This is a good slime. It deserves good representation. Alright. Perfect. Really? That's not very pretty. Oof. Alright, let's fix that. Okay. A plus ASMR. Alright, now let's show you a white one that was in a bag because I don't know if it's good or not, honestly. Alright, let's pop that bad boy out. This is definitely the one I use vanilla extract on. It's honestly kind of stiff though. I'm gonna give this one a D-. Back in the bag. Alright, I think this is a good one. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay, let's open it up. Gonna be silent because it's that good, it deserves it. Sorry, things are falling when the ASMR gets juicy good. I was thinking of actually maybe in a future video making this slime like a summer slime, like summer themed, and then like making this slime a like winter themey. I don't know, maybe like blue and yellow. Blue's definitely a winter color, maybe make it a little darker, but actually I like the color. And yellow is indefinitely a summer color, so yeah. Alright, since my hands are warm, it's getting really sticky, so I'm gonna be putting this one away. Okay, now we're gonna shorten the ASMRs a little, because like honestly, I feel like I'm feeling myself get too into my slimes. So like, let's just do the next one, the next 3, and like we'll be done. Okay, with this portion. Because we're already at 13 and we still have 2 more to do. Maybe even cut one out. Oh, she's sleek. Okay. Alright, we're done with this one. And now we only have 2 more. Oh, by the way, the ones you've seen so far, I have made every single one of them. Just so you know. You're getting perfectly crafty unicorn made slime views. And I'll let you know if someone else has made them, and if it's a company, which none of these are, I will shout them out. Ooh, this is a big one, I forgot. Why does my whiteboard keep falling? Okay, sorry, this is a nice slime. I'll be quiet so you can enjoy the ASMR. Oh no, it's out of frame. Alright, you can see it now. I just think it's so annoying the slime's out of frame. Alright, now we're done with this one, but I just literally need to show you guys how huge this slime is. Like, ugh, okay. Alright, I'm just going to put this away, shove it back. Alright, and next we will be reacting to cringy TikToks. I just have to put my slimes on. Oh, actually I have one more slime. I'm so forgetful. Okay, we have one more slime to show you. Well, I do. And surprisingly enough, it wasn't made by your average, it wasn't, how do I word this? It wasn't made by your Crafty Unicorn 20. You know? Let's just, I know. It wasn't made by me. How insane. Okay, so, that was so unnecessary. But it's a snow one. I think I said that earlier. But it's so stiff now, and like the snow pieces get everywhere. But look at how pretty it is when it stretches. Like, that's what people live for, man. And it also shrinked from what its original size was. And like I said, it wasn't made from me. It was actually made by my best friend. Drumroll, please. Madison. Alright, well anyway. I'll politely put away some things. And we'll get started on cringe TikToks because I'm not 100% sure if we'll have time to review my squishies. Oh, sorry. My slime's getting in the way. It makes it look like I actually have slimes and I didn't do like 3. Well, yeah, I didn't do like 3 of them. Okay. Oh, my face again. Now, we're going to react to some cringe TikToks, and I will be watching them from the screen that you guys have. I don't know. Cringe. Oh. Just on YouTube. I don't have TikTok anymore. Cringe TikToks. Alright, I'll figure out when to stop. 11 minutes, 10 minutes. Alright, the core of cringe. So we're going to stop at like 5 minutes. Oh, sorry. We hit advertising. It's been almost 20 minutes. Alright, the most we'll have is 30 minutes. And then I'll put in the description that there's a bunch of things so you don't think I'm wasting your time. And until then, I kind of actually am wasting your time. So let's give you some entertainment because there's an ad that's taking forever to load. still not loading, and you guys can't even see it. Alright, I'm just going to keep going, and if this next one doesn't work, we will be transitioning to reviewing my squish.
You're funny for a dead man.
Now you're wasting my time.
Alright, let's show you these cringy TikToks. Okay.
Go make sure Senpai's safe.
Told you, asshole. He's mine. You won't take him from me. I'll kill you before you even get a chance.
You really think so?
I think so.
Alright, let's dance.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you guys. I just need to say something. Disclaimer. Oh, hold on. Since we're talking about TikToks. Disclaimer. I am not making fun of any of these people. This is just what people call cringe. That was cringe. And also, at the beginning, at the end, what was that little rawr thing? Silent. That kind of made me cringe a little. You guys can't see me cringing because you can only see these other people's. And let me know if you cringe, by the way. Alright, let's resume video. I already see it being cringe. Sorry, honey.
Don't listen, my man. I only don't wanna make it to you.
Damn pretty girl, you ain't done it again.
Alright, girl, that lighting just ain't working for her. Like, she looking pale as a freaking... This is her. Hold on, let me show you. This is her. She's pale as a piece of paper. Alright, sorry, I'm just putting my little 2 cents on everything.
And you're gonna turn it sexy all the way up to 10. I never seen a side right seat looking so hot. Baby, you rock, hit the spot like a fireball shot. You got me all high.
Why are these all about senpais and crushes and backing off of mans? All of them. Is that what the epitome of cringe really is?